How to copy your personal room meeting invitation on Zoom PC. So hello guys, first thing you have to do is go to Zoom and log into your account. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on my account. Now go right here and click on the meetings option. After you click on meetings, go to personal room right here and click on it, and it will take you to this page. Right here you will find some informations. Go down and click on copy invitation like this and click copy meeting invitation, and now it's copied successfully, easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.